Hi, my name is John Duplessis and I'm the Chief Physical Therapist and co-founder of Mojo SportClinic. We created Mojo SportClinic to deliver the same high-level care that an elite, Olympic or professional athlete would have access to. These athletes do not have the luxury or time when there's an urgency to return to sports participation. We are all athletes, no matter the difference between our sport and level of competition. Athletes and the general public share the same anatomy features and the injury types, therefore treatment guidelines are consistent with one another. Traditional medical care models diagnose and treat with purely symptoms in mind. It does not care to diagnose the root cause of symptoms. These models drive fear and promote passive treatment approaches and rest, rather than education and emphasizing empowerment to minimize fear and return to sport. We believe that our treatment philosophy is focused on faster return to participation with fewer visits needed, thereby making our care more efficient and more cost-effective than the traditional medical care model with better outcomes. Athletes deal with pain on a daily basis. Pain is normal and considered part of training. They do not fear it, they understand and embrace it. We also aim for better physical conditioning and performance as to not only overcome the injury, but correct causative compensatory imbalances and prevent future injury. Strain is overcome by either being stronger than the load causing the strain or by avoiding straining activities. We do not believe it is appropriate to treat mechanical issues with chemicals. We also believe the body heals through inflammation and controlled tissue loading during and following the inflammation period. This approach is essential for these injured areas to become stronger and resilient to tensile forces, as inflammation only lasts 5 to 7 days. Oftentimes, full recovery is hindered by fear of movement, continued self-inflicted injury, and premature or compensatory overload to tissue. Recovery and training is equally important, yet active recovery is far more superior than passive recovery. The body types of athletes are diverse and never the same, which means physical requirements for sports vary significantly. Essentially, there is no sense of normality. Our individualized and sport-specific approach to treatment ensures that our athletes perform at their best. We offer advanced physiotherapy and recovery sessions, as well as performance enhancement, personal training, and sports development programs for youth athletes. Schedule your session directly from our website below for an in-person or remote session and get your mojo back.